In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text and sticky notes to a Teams meeting whiteboard. Let's start from right inside your meeting. Once you've joined a Teams meeting and you're ready to collaborate, look toward the meeting controls, usually at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your device. You'll see an option labeled Share or Share Content. This is the button you use anytime you want to show something to everyone else in the meeting, like your screen, a specific window, or in this case, a whiteboard. Go ahead and click on the Share or Share Content button. When you do this, a panel will open up, typically from the bottom or the side of your screen. In that panel, you'll see different sharing options. Among these options, look for Whiteboard. It may show up as Microsoft Whiteboard with an icon that looks like a small board. Click on Whiteboard to select it. After you select Whiteboard, Teams will open a shared whiteboard space that everyone in the meeting can see and, if allowed, interact with. Give it a moment to load. Once it appears, you'll notice a clean blank canvas in the middle and a toolbar either at the top or on one side of the screen. This toolbar is where you'll find tools for adding text, sticky notes, shapes, and more. To add text, look in the toolbar for the text tool, often represented by a T icon. Click on that, then click anywhere on the whiteboard canvas where you want your text to appear. A text box will pop up. You can type directly into it, adjust the size, and move it around by clicking and dragging. This is useful for titles, labels, or longer explanations that everyone needs to refer to during the meeting. Now, to add sticky notes, look in the same toolbar for the sticky note or note icon. Click that, and a small colored note will appear on the whiteboard. You can type your message into the note, change its color, and drag it to position it exactly where you want. Sticky notes are great for brainstorming ideas, capturing quick thoughts, or organizing feedback from multiple people. As you work, remember that all participants who have permission can add their own text and sticky notes as well. This makes the whiteboard a powerful real-time collaboration tool. When you're done, you can simply stop sharing, and the whiteboard will remain available in the meeting chat for people to revisit later.